Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a farmer unique ID. A unique farmer identification system is crucial for modern agriculture, helping to manage data effectively and support farmers. It ensures that each farmer is distinctly recognized within a system, preventing errors and improving the accuracy of records. This foundational step is vital for implementing targeted support programs and tracking agricultural progress across various regions. To construct a truly unique farmer ID, you should combine several key data points. Start with basic demographic information like the farmer's full name and date of birth. Then, incorporate geographic details such as their village, district, and specific farm location. Adding a system-generated sequential number or a carefully designed alphanumeric code further enhances uniqueness, ensuring no two farmers share the same identifier. Designing the system involves choosing the right technology. A centralized digital database is essential for storing and managing these unique IDs securely. Implement strong data entry and validation protocols to maintain data integrity from the outset. Utilizing specialized software for ID generation and management will automate the process, making it efficient and less prone to human error. This ensures the system is both reliable and scalable. The benefits of a unique farmer ID system are substantial. It enables precise targeting of agricultural subsidies and support programs, ensuring aid reaches the intended recipients. Furthermore, it significantly improves the monitoring of crop yields, resource allocation, and overall agricultural productivity. Remember to regularly update farmer information and implement robust data privacy and security measures to protect sensitive personal details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.